Suzuki. So if we want the motorcycle in index 0, which is Honda, we just say motorcycles 0. If you want to change it, sorry, so it will say motorcycles index 0 is equals to Ducati. Let me do this. So Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki, and then print motor. Do this because it's throwing an error. So there we go. It's Ducati, Yamaha, and Suzuki. And then appending element to an end of the list, we can add Ducati to the end of the list as well. Inserting element into a list, we can use motorcycles dot insert to insert new elements in the list. We can also remove an item by value, which is motorcycles dot remove Ducati, and then it's going to remove that. We have organizing a list, cause dot py. Often our list will be created in an unpredictable order because we can't always control the order in which our users provide their data. Although this is unavoidable in most circumstances, you frequently want to present your information in a particular order. So sometimes we'll want to preserve the original order of our list, and other things we'll want to change in the original order. So Python provides a number of different ways to organize a list depending on the situation. So we can sort out a list permanently with the sort method. So cause.py, we have BMW, Audi, Toyota, and Subaru. If we use cause.sort, okay, let me just print out. Okay, so for cause.sort, print cause, we will have Audi, BMW, Subaru, and Toyota. So it sorts them in alphabetical order. And then we have sorting a list temporarily with the sorted function. So we can use, so let's print, here's the original list, we'll print sorted cause, letting Python know that this is the original list, and then we let Python know that this is the sorted list. And then when we print them out, here's the original list, and then here's the sorted list. Here's the original list again. Printing a list in reverse order. Cause dot, sorry, let me scroll up. Cause dot reverse print cause. It's printing from the end to the beginning. So it's Toyota, Subaru, BMW, and sorry, yes, Toyota. So in reverse order, it's Subaru, Toyota, Audi, and BMW. So it's going to start from the back to the beginning, sorry. And then we can find a length of a list. Print len cause, and then the length of a list is 4. We have 4 elements in our list. So avoiding index errors when working with list, motorcycles.py. So there's one type of error that's common to see when you're working with lists for the first time. Let's say we have a list with 3 items and you ask for the 4th item. So sorry, let me scroll down. So we're gonna have print motorcycles 3 ways. Okay, print motorcycles 3. This example will result in an index error because the list index, it is out of range. So if we call if we ask for the 4th item while the list has 3 items, then it will throw an error. So it will result in an index error and it will tell us that the list index is out of range. So Python will attempt to give us the item at index 3, but when it searches the list, no item in the motorcycles will have an index of 3. So if we want to access the last item in a list, we should use the index -1. This will always work even if our list has changed size since the last time we accessed it. So print motorcycles -1. I think I have that. I don't. Okay. So -1. So the index -1 always returns the last item, and in this case the value will be Suzuki. Yeah, so that was it. In this chapter we learned what lists are and how to work with the individual items in the list. We learned how to define a list, how to add and remove items, how to sort lists permanently and temporarily, how to find a length of the list, how to avoid index errors with the list that we're working with. Thank you. That is it from me.